What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. When you think of investment platforms, there are a number of investment platforms out there. You can talk about Fidelity, you can talk about Robinhood, M1 Finance, Webull, Charles Schwab, which took over TD Ameritrade. You could talk about so many different platforms that are out there, but the real question is which one is the best to use? Now, when I hear this question, I always think that they really don't know the question that they're asking. The question is not which one is best to use. However, it is which one is best for you. That's the real question. And when I go through different platforms, I always talk about what's best for me, what fits the different type of investor, whether you're a day trader, swing trader, long-term investor, dividend investor, what platform really works best for you. In today's video, we're going over Webull. I wanted to break down everything with the mobile platform when it comes to Webull, and then really give you my opinion on what they're best for. Now, when it comes to the desktop platform, this is not something I'm going to be going over. If I do go over it, it's going to be a very short portion that I go over it, but it's mainly focused on the mobile platform because that's what a lot of people like about Webull, about Robinhood, about certain platforms is that they're mobile, is that they're always thought to be on the go. And this is what I wanted to talk about with this platform here. So we'll get into this in just a second. Before I start, make sure you hit that like button and hit the subscribe button for more videos just like this one. And make sure you hit that notification bell. 85% of the people that watch my videos are not subscribed. So please hit that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. Also, get your 2 free stocks with Webull. Actually, there's a new promotion, but check out my link down below to where you can get 3 free stocks with Webull. Also, check out my Robinhood link to where you can get 1 free stock with Robinhood. So let's go ahead and break this down and go through the different portions of the app and what I really like about it and what I think Webull is for. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into Webull here, break this down. We're going to start with the account view. So you can see everything that you need to know when it comes to your account. Now, so for some people, it may seem overwhelming, but for other people, it's really easy. If you have used any type of platform, you really understand what's going on here. You have 5 days, you have 1 month, you have 3 months, you have 6 months, you have year to date, 1 year, and then however long you've been trading for or trading with Webull. Now that's very simple to use. Now you also have other areas to where you can see your account balance. You can look at your positions, any open positions that you have. All of these positions that I have, or most of the positions, are free stocks that I gained, and I'll get into that in just a second. But AT&T is more of the stock that I actually took my initial $100 and invested that into. I did invest some money into SPHD and gained about $1,000, a little over that, and I pretty much left it as is. Now, this is a very simplified area. I mean, you have certain sections here. You have quick trade, you have the performance, deposits to where you can make your deposits, and then you can go to more. More has it all broken out here to where you can have the category of trade, account, banking, tools, and it's all broken out to make it easy for you to navigate through. All right, so now we can go into the community tab here, which you would have streams, competition, you have top news, you have watch lists, like you have a lot of different information that you can go off of. So it's not just something to where you're flying blind. This is something that I see with Robinhood. I know they do have news areas, but it's not as in-depth as something I would get from Fidelity. This is why I get all my news from Fidelity, to where it's a lot of news. Whenever I click on a stock, I can get the news. Whenever I look at the market, I can get the news. There's a lot of stuff that I can look at there. But when it comes to this, you're going to see a ton of things. Now, competition is pretty cool. Now let's go into the watch list here really quick. So I don't have any watch lists set up in Webull. All of my watch lists are in Fidelity. So that's not something that I like to do here. But if I end up trading something and feeling like I want to watch something on Webull, I will do that. But it's easy to go to your watch list by having it as one of those selections at the bottom. So you can select whatever watch list you have. You can have your symbol. You can add different symbols. It's very, very simple to be able to do that. And then you can go from there. So that's something that I really like about this app, that you can add things so easily. You can navigate through your watch list and every other area news very easily. Another area that I wanted to look at was the markets. Now, this can be overwhelming for a lot of people because they don't really understand how the markets work. They really understand how individual stocks work. And this may be overwhelming, like I said, but you can look at different things like the United States. You can look at crypto. You can look at global. You can look at a lot of different things. And if you pay attention to this, if you actually take the time and understand it, it's really easy to understand. And like I said, as you go down, you're going to see a lot of information here. It's a lot of information. It's a lot to take in. I can tell you that. And if you're new to trading, it's not something you want to see. You're never going to go to that page. But I would definitely say that you look at this, you take a look at it every day just to understand where the market is going, the different markets are going, because you can look at an individual stock like technology and know that the overall market is down. So most likely the technology companies are going to be down, right? Now let's get into the last piece, which would be the menu area. Now this menu area, I love this so much. The reason why is because one area you see here is my free stock. Now, my free stock is a great area to where you can see how many free stocks you gained, because first of all, if you sign up, you're going to gain 3 free stocks down in the description. So go ahead and click that link where you can get 3 free stocks, and you can see once they clear, they're your stocks. So I have VG, I have UBS, like I have a number of free stocks that I gained from you guys that have signed up. So I appreciate that, but you also gain stocks as well. And you don't have to invest too much money so that you can get started and keep trading and keep investing and use all of the stocks that you get that are free. You can sell those stocks and invest in something that you want. That's definitely something that you could do. Now you can go to invite and you could see all of the people that you can invite. But this is a promotion that's going on right now. Refer a friend, get 3 free stocks. That's definitely a good thing. So you can see my invites up here, and you can have 247 invites. 63 are approved, 19 deposits completed. So this is always a great thing to be able to get free things. And that's what as you go through here, you have this promotion center to where you can win different stocks. If you're ranked high enough in the amount of successful referrals, you can win Amazon stock, you can win Google stock, you can win Netflix stock. This is what I think that they're for. You have the invitation bonus, which we just looked at, 3 free stocks. There's a lot of different things that you can get with Webull. And if I had to give my overall opinion of Webull, I would say that Webull is an amazing platform for people that are beginners. Why? The reason why is because you're going to get free stuff. You don't have to use your own money to invest. Now, you do have to start with $100. And if you do start with that $100, you don't have to use it right away. You can keep it in the account, and then you can get the free stocks once they clear. You can use those free stocks to trade with whatever you want. And maybe you'll get $25 worth of free stocks. Maybe you'll get $30, $40, $50, $1,400 worth of free stocks. So definitely check out that link down below and get your free stocks. But yeah, I mean, Webull is definitely a great platform, and not only for the fact that you're using it to trade, because it is a great platform for you to trade. You don't have commissions, you don't have to worry about that, and you can get a number of free opportunities to gain money in the stock market. So you can get your sea legs basically by getting free stocks here and then going from there. So I think that Webull is a great platform for beginners. I've started using it probably, let's say, 3 months ago. I started using it 3 months ago, and I started getting my free stocks and being able to trade with large lump sums. They had a promotion going on to where if you invested $10,000 into your stock trading account, not physically invested into a stock, but just put it into your stock trading account, you would get 10 free stocks. If you invested $25,000, you get 25 free stocks. And that's what I did. That's why I have 25,000 in there. I took all my money from Fidelity, put it over into Webull, and I'm looking to gain those 25 free stocks. If you want a platform that will give you a bunch of promotional things and give you free stocks at times, definitely check out Webull. Link in the description. You can get 3 free stocks at this time. So that's my overall analysis of Webull. It's definitely a great platform. I wouldn't say that you use it for your day trading. I would say it's more for people that are beginners, people that want to start out and do more long-term investing, because you just buy and hold, and then as you go through the time, you can gain free stocks, and you can hold more stocks. You can get dividends. Like, it's not something that focuses on dividends, but I would say that you can definitely look at it and, collect your dividends as you go. So like I said, that's my review for Webull. Let me know if you like Webull, if you enjoy using them as a day trader or swing trader or long-term investor, I really want to know how people are using it so that I can incorporate it in my next video. So let me know. But that's my video. Make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you get your 3 free stocks with Webull down below and 1 free stock with Robinhood. Now, that goes until September 30th, so make sure you get your name in the hat for the 3 free stocks. But that's it, guys. I'm going to get out of here, and until next time, I'll see you guys later.